Living things and non-living things. All the humans and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes, and reproduce. Living things can move on their own with the help of their legs. Animals move from one place to another place in the search of food. Like animals, they move in the search of food. Animals such as dog, cats, human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds, bees fly with the help of their wings. Fish move with the help of their fins. Plants do not move from one place to another place because they do not have to look for food. Some plants move in a special way. For example, a lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. The leaves of mimosa plant close when touched. Lotus and mimosa plants are examples of that plants also feel touch. Living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time. A child grows into an adult. A seed grows into a plant. Non-living things like books, toys, chairs do not move, and they move when someone moves them. Okay, and doll, cricket bats like are the example of non-living things. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. Cockroaches, butterflies and mosquitoes breathe through air holes. They have a air hole in their body. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata. Plants have tiny pores on the leaves through which they breathe. They are known as stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. They don't breathe. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals. Plants do not go to search of food. They make their own food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. Non-living things don't need food. We can feel changes. Living things feel changes. In the same way, animals and plants also feel changes. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their senses. We have the sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. We feel all the changes through our sense organs. Animals like cockroaches, grasshopper and butterflies have a special body part called antennae, which helps them to feel changes around them. Plants also feel change around them. For example, mimosa, touch me not plant, feels a touch. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants can also feel light and grow towards it. Non-living things do not feel any change. They don't feel any change. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. A woman gives birth to a baby while a pigeon and a hen lays eggs from which chicks comes out. Non-living things do not reproduce. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. These seeds grow into new plants. Some plants also give rise to new plants which help their roots, stem, or leaves. For example, rubber plant, money plant, and sugar cane.